A very good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. As these days we are doing revision of the topics whatever we have read. So today I'm gonna make you revise few grammar topics. Let's do short grammar. As you can see in the first A part, I have written circle the naming words. So my dear students, as I have already told you what are naming words, the name of a person, place or anything is known as naming word. So wherever we find any name written in the sentence, we just need to circle that. किसी भी नाम को, नाम कोई भी हो सकता है, किसी पर्सन का, प्लेस का या फिर किसी ऑब्जेक्ट का भी. सो लेट्स रीड द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. नेहा इज dancing. So any name we are finding in this sentence? Yes, you're right. What name is here? Neha. So I'm going to encircle the name Neha. Is dancing. No other naming word I'm finding here. So I will encircle only one word, that is Neha. Let's read number 2. Delhi, Delhi is a big city. Delhi is a big city. Delhi, it's a name of a place. So it's a naming word and we will encircle the naming word. Then city, city is also a naming word. So I will encircle this also. Yes, we can have more than one naming word in a sentence. There is no limit how many naming words can be in a one sentence. It can be more than one. So we just need to find out whatever the name given, that is known as naming word. So these two sentences were given to us. Let's read B part, question B. Fill in the blanks using has or have. Now what we need to fill is either I will put has or I will put have in these blanks. So let's read the sentence now. Arjun, Arjun dash a pet dog. Arjun, it's a name of a boy and we are talking about only one person. And whenever we talk about one person, what we use? Has. What we use? Has. So when there is a one person, we use has. We use have with I, you and plural. I, you and plural. So let's read the second one. It is written we. We is used for plural persons, more than one person. And for more than one persons, we use have. What we use? Have. We have a big car. So this is my second sentence. We have done two topics, naming words, has, have. Alright. Shall we move on to the next topic now? The next topic, which is C part. Change the number. Numbers mean singular plurals. We have already done. Singular means whenever we talk about one object and plural means whenever we talk about more than one object. So the first word written here is B-U-S-H, bush. Bush समझते हैं आप लोग? झाड़ी. So what we are going to write here is bushes. I will add ES, bushes. Sorry. Number 2 is girl, G-I-R-L, girl. What I'm gonna write is girls. I have added S only. So I have added S in making the plural of girl. I have written it girls. The next one is S-T-A-R, star, and what I'm going to write is S-T-A-R-S, stars. Next is rose, R-O-S-E, rose, and I will write R-O-S-E-S, roses. What we call them? Roses. So these were the numbers. I have taken randomly any of the word because we have done many change number. In our book, so many words were there when we have done that chapter of singular plural. You need to revise all those words. But here I am taking one or two randomly. The next is change the gender. Gender, जिसे हम हिंदी में लिंग बदलो बोलते हैं. The first word written here is prince. What I'm going to write here is princess. Prince, princess. Lion, lioness. I have added E-double-S. E was already there, so I have added S-double-S, and here E was not there in lion, so I have added E-double-S, lioness. Prince, princess, lion, lioness. And the next word is boy. What is the gender? Opposite gender of boy, girl. The opposite gender of boy is girl, and of man is woman. Man, woman. Now let's do the next question, that is tick the correct option. We do have two options, A or an. What are the two options given to us? A or an, and we need to fill the correct option. Do you know where we use an? I have made you revise earlier also. An is used with vowels. What are the vowels? We do have 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So wherever you will find the word which will begin with vowel, we will use an. Otherwise we will use a. I have dash toy train. So what I need to look is toy. Toy is beginning with T, which is not a vowel. So what I'm going to use is a. I have a toy train. I was asked to tick. That's why I have ticked. So I have a toy train. Let's read the next sentence. She is dash. A or an. Teacher. Now again I need to look for teacher. Teacher is also beginning with T, which is not a vowel. So I will use the word a. She is a teacher. Next, it is a or an igloo. Igloo. Do you know what is igloo? Igloo is a house made up of snow that we have done in EVS. Igloo is a special kind of house which is made up of snow. And igloo is beginning with I. I is a vowel. And with vowel what we use? An. What we use? An. So I'm gonna tick an here. So students, this is the way of revising short grammar. I have made you revise today with the 5 topics. First was naming words. Second was use of has or have. Third was changing the number. Fourth was changing the gender. And fifth one was a or an. In the similar way, we can revise more topics of grammar, but make sure you revise them properly. And here I am attaching one assignment also related to these topics which you need to do. I hope you are clear with the concept. If you still find any doubt, just do let me know. Have a good day.